439, Judge Giles calling. Hey, Mr. Harris. Yes, I got it. Yep. I see what you're talking about. It is hard to read, but I do got it. The judge is on bench. Well, take your time because you got attorneys ahead of you, Mr. Harris.
Madam Clerk, I'm going to stand in for Robert Kinney. He has a hearing this afternoon at 1:30. Antoine Perry.
Antoine Perry.
Yes. And he'd like to reschedule it if you could anytime after January 7th. But he's off for exam this afternoon at 1:30.
All right, Miss Kitty, I sent a message to Miss Franklin. I think she's actually.
Yeah, I think she's on. The judge says she's on.
She's coming on.
Oh, or coming on.
I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ms. All right, I'm ready when you are.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. May council check in?
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm Anthony Lewis. I'm checking in on a David Winston Jr.
David Winston Jr. Is it scheduled for today?
No, I said David Winston.
Okay, is it scheduled for today?
It's on my court order of appointment. It says November the 13th in front of Judge Giles.
Okay, I don't have a Winston on the docket. Do you have a case number?
It is 200611595.
You said 200611595?
Confirmed.
Okay, that's a Timothy Moore, and that's in warrant status.
That's not the right number there.
That must not be the right case number.
That's not the right, then they don't have the right case number on here.
What's the first name?
First name is David.
David. (439) Judge Giles courtroom. Yes. Okay, hold on, okay. All right. That's Sandra Wilson, court reporter. She wants to talk to you.
Hello? Hello? I'm okay. Are you?
Okay, I found it.
Is that the correct case number?
Just when we.
No.
In-person exam.
So this is.
We're not doing in-person exam out here.
This is scheduled for May 13th. The PCC was on November 10th. Sharon Woodside was on it.
Okay, how much you got?
Are we talking about David Winston Sr. or David Winston Jr.?
It doesn't have a junior or a senior, but it must be a junior because it's a 2000, he's born 5/29/2003. So it must be a junior. So are you looking for a senior or a junior?
I'm looking for a junior, and he should be on today because I contacted him, and he's confirmed that it's scheduled for today.
Okay, this is the only criminal case that I see. And he has a court date of May 13th.
Would the charge be CCW?
Yes, it is. May 13th at 11:30 a.m. for exam.
I can hear
Okay,
you now.
now, and you're saying that Ms. Woodside is assigned the case then, correct?
You talking
Well,
to me?
I don't know if she's assigned the case. She was here on the case on November 10th. I wasn't here on that day. That was
Okay,
Tuesday.
and can you provide me with the correct case number?
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
200-613-9501.
Okay. And you said that date is May the 13th?
Yes, May 13th at 11:30. Might want to call Ms. Woodside. Maybe she's been retained. I don't know.
Right, that's what I will do. All right, thank you, Madam Clerk.
All right, you're welcome.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ready on sharp?
Yes,
Calling case number 2058898, the people of the state of Michigan versus Philip Sharp. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is here on a hearing.
Madam President, on behalf of the people.
Mr. Early.
good morning, Your Honor. Kenneth Waldhorn on behalf of Mr. Sharp. My P number is 37819. Mr. Sharp is here, but the name of his appearance is Tiana White. Mr. Sharp, could you state your name for the record?
Philip Sharp.
Thank you. Your Honor, if I may,
Sure.
this was set for a live exam on the 19th. After further discussions with Mr. Sharp, he's indicated to me he wishes to waive his right to a preliminary examination, knows the matter will be bound over to the circuit court for further proceedings.
All right, on the 19th of November,
Correct.
at what time?
10:30.
10:30? Thank you. All right, Mr. Sharp, I understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime. You understand that, sir?
Can you repeat that, Judge?
Do you understand that you have a statutory right to a preliminary exam where the state must show by probable cause a crime was committed and probable cause you had something to do with committing that crime? You understand that?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything or threaten you in any way to get you to waive your right to preliminary exam?
No.
You waive your right freely and voluntarily after having opportunity to talk to your attorney about it.
Yes.
And do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No.
And Mr. Walhorn, do you have any objection to the court signing your name to the waiver form?
No, sir.
All right, court will find that you freely and voluntarily waive your right to preliminary exam. Matter is bound over Wayne County Circuit Court Criminal Division for arraignment on the information, which will be December 1st at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Ready on Phillips, Willie Phillips.
Ready?
Calling case number 2061408, the people of the state of Michigan versus Willie Phillips. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gleno with the Neighborhood Defenders Service of Detroit by PA 3424, appearing on behalf of Mr. Phillips, who's out on bond, requesting the court to waive his presence.
I'm here. Mr. Phillips here.
Wait, I guess Mr. Phillips is present.
Yes, I'm here.
Your Honor,
Do you have video?
we have neither paper nor, I'm sorry.
Let me put it on. Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Phillips, I don't do t-shirts or sweats or anything like that. Shirt with a collar required, all right?
I need to put on a shirt with a collar.
Well, you don't have to do it now, I'm just letting you know. When you come
Yes,
back, shirt with a collar.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. O.
Your Honor, we have neither paper nor digital discovery, so we're asking for an adjourned PCC date or an exam date.
All right, I'm gonna adjourn the PCC date, so I'll give you an exam date. How many witnesses?
1.
May 19th
How do I do that?
at 9 o'clock.
That works
How
for the
do I
defense, Judge.
respond? Okay, right
I
there.
beg your pardon?
That works for the defense, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Ready on Mabins?
Ready?
Calling case number 2058762, the people of the state of Michigan versus Darnell Mabins. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Andy Strawn appearing on behalf of Mr. Mabins. He should be on, Your Honor.
Mr. Nathan, state your name for the record, please. Not on
Judge,
yet.
if he's not on, I'll waive his appearance with the permission of the court.
It's set for exam.
Darnell, maybe.
Mr. Strong, it's set for exam. I gotta see him, hear him something.
There he is.
Darnell, maybe.
Okay. All right. We're rescheduling this, Mr. Strong?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, May 19th at 9:30?
May 19th. That's a good date, Your Honor.
All right, bonds continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. I beg your pardon?
I couldn't hear you when you said the time.
Oh, May 19th at 9:30?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Ready on White, Quentin White?
Ready.
Calling case number 2058844, the people of the state of Michigan versus Quentin White. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance possession. This matter, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
May it please the court, I'm Joan Morgan from Neighborhood Defenders Service. I'm here for Mr. White. My bar number is 34482. Mr. White, let the judge know your name.
My name is Quentin White.
Judge, today was the day for an examination in person at 2:15 this afternoon, and we're asking for a new date.
All right, May 19th at 10 o'clock.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. White, you're all set.
Thank you.
Ready on Janelle Wiley,
Ready.
calling case number 2061411. The people of the state of Michigan versus Janelle Wiley. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Matter Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Nicole Casca, P55470, on behalf of Mr. Wiley.
All right, Mr. Wiley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Janelle Wiley.
All right, Mr. Wiley, I don't do t-shirts or sweatshirts or anything like that in my courtroom, even on Zoom. All right, when you come back, please wear a shirt with a collar.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes.
All right, go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, we have received paper discovery. This was a traffic stop. We have not received any video discovery, the body cams or the scout car cams. We are requesting that, Judge.
You're asking for an in-person preliminary exam, correct?
I am, Judge.
How many witnesses?
2.
May 19th at 10:15.
At 10:15 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, I am requesting from the prosecutor's office the digital discovery, the body worn cams, and the scout car video.
Counsel, I'll inquire with the OIC and I'll be sure to get.
Thank you, Ms. Franklin.
You're welcome.
And can we have Mr. Wiley put his phone number in the chat?
I don't know how to do that.
Could I have a quick breakout room, Judge, and then we'll leave the meeting with Mr. Wiley?
All right.
I would appreciate it. Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Ready on Al Malachi,
Ready, Your Honor.
calling case number 2058757. The people of the state of Michigan versus Hassan Al Malachi. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. Count 2, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Bazia, P78448 on behalf of Mr. Maliki. Your Honor, I'll ask you to waive my client's presence right now. He is currently in custody. He did pick up a couple other cases in the meantime. He picked up another case in Dearborn where we referred him to the forensic center. We actually just got a letter from the forensic center that they sent to a Dearborn judge asking them to have 60 days for a review. I'm sorry, it's not the competency to stand criminal charges and responsibility has to be delayed for 60 days. So I'm asking to adjourn this. Anyways, we can have an in-person exam.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Okay, counsel, I guess you gotta explain this to me. If he's incompetent for his matter in Dearborn, how is he competent for the matter here?
No, Your Honor, he's not. I didn't say he was competent. I said we got a letter from the forensic center.
No, I get that part, but if you ask for a competency for Dearborn, then I have to put him on competency here. I can't set it for exam.
Exactly, Your Honor. That's what I was getting to.
All right, well, that's what I need you to say, that you want him referred for competency, and I'll just piggyback the Dearborn referral.
Well, Judge, that's what I was gonna say after the adjournment anyways, so.
Okay.
You just sent me that dismissal. Is that
Judge, this is Rick Nelson. Did you call my case?
1 second, please.
Okay.
Ms. Franklin?
Yes.
Okay, we got a dismissal form here signed by a prosecutor.
Yes, I emailed it over just a little bit ago from this morning. I received it yesterday.
Okay, so you want this matter dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
All right, well then, counsel, we don't have to do anything. If it's gonna be dismissed, the matter's going to federal court, so you're gonna have to deal with it there.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
ready on Murphy, Madison Murphy?
Ready.
Calling case number 2061403, the people of the state of Michigan versus Madison Murphy. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Matter Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Morning, you and your staff, Judge Rick Nelson, P39317, on behalf of Ms. Murphy. Madison, state your name.
Madison Murphy.
Need exam date, Judge.
How many witnesses?
2.
May 19th at 10:45.
That's fine. Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
Also, do you have discovery?
No, I don't. I put it in, but I didn't get it yet.
Okay, I'll send you discovery.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, talk to you, Madison.
Ready on Williams, Marcus Williams.
Morning, Ronald Debo, P6897. I'm Marcus Williams.
Calling case number 2061412, the people of the state of Michigan versus Marcus Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 2, weapons, ammunition, possession by a felon. Count 3, weapons carrying concealed. Count 4, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 5, controlled substance, possession. Count 6, count 7, count 8, count 9, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender for notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Matter Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Ronald Debo, P6897, on behalf of Marcus Williams. I waive his appearance. I don't believe he figured out how to get on here.
All right, waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What is your pleasure, counsel?
I haven't received any discovery. I'd like to adjourn the probable cause conference, please.
I'll adjourn probable cause conference. I'll set it for exam. It'll be set out far enough. You get any discovery you need. If you decide to do something other than hold, all you have to do is contact the court and we'll move it up.
Okay, thank you.
All right, how many witnesses?
2.
May 19th at 11:15.
I'll be fine, thank you.
Ready on Bry?
Ready.
Calling case number 2056671, the people of the state of Michigan versus Theron Bry. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Judge Arnie Chambers on behalf of Mr. Fry, who is present
I'm here.
in his own. In a collared shirt. Got it. Button up.
All right, thank you. Just adjourning this over, Mr. Chambers?
Yeah, we're not waiving, so yes, Judge.
Okay. May 19th at 11:45.
Okay, here's that word. Give me a second. Yep, 11:45.
Yes, sir.
Judge.
It's a good date.
Hey,
I couldn't hear you, Mr. Chambers.
yes, Your Honor, good for me, yeah.
Oh, okay, good, thank you. All right, Bob, continue.
Ready on Williams, Larry Williams. Calling case number 2058909, the people of the state of Michigan versus Larry Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
William Glenn on behalf of Mr. Williams, P36794. I don't know if Mr. Williams is on.
Okay, I need to see him.
Okay, I left a message with him. I had communications with him yesterday. I told him to zoom in, so I don't know why he's not here.
Hello?
Mr. Williams?
What?
Okay, identify yourself.
William?
I don't know if the court heard you.
I hear anything.
Larry Williams.
All right, Mr. Williams, I don't know if you heard me talk to the other gentleman. I don't do T-shirts or sweats in my courtroom. A shirt with a collar, all right?
Sure.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I would ask for another live in-person exam date.
All right. It'll be May 20th at 9 o'clock.
That's fine. May it please the court?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I've requested discovery twice on the prosecutor's website, and I asked for it at the last probable cause conference, and I haven't heard anything. So I was requesting that the prosecutor send me the discovery on this case.
Discovery was sent to you on October 23rd, both paper and video, and 2 separate email links. And it was sent again. So it looks like I sent you twice.
I never got it. I checked my inbox and my junk, and I never got it.
By the police officers.
I can send it again.
Yes.
Let me just make sure I have, can you tell me your email address?
William L. Glenn.
Can you spell it exactly?
WILLIAM LGLENN at hotmail.com.
All right, let me just repeat it back to you. William, WILLIAM LGLENN at hotmail.com.
Right.
I'll send you discovery again.
Okay.
Ready, Barnett?
Yes.
Yes.
Calling case number 2061384, the people of the state of Michigan versus Leon Burnett. Defendant is charged with count 1, license documents, plates, forgery. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Appearances, please.
I'm waiting on the prosecutor, Your Honor.
Reggie,
Ms. Reggie.
appearance, please.
Reginald Andrew, P number 80354, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris, P54891, on behalf of Mr. Leon Burnett, who appears via Zoom, blue iPhone.
Burnett, state your name for the record, please.
Leon Burnett.
Burnett, you heard what I said about collared shirts, don't do sweats, don't do t-shirts, don't do none of that.
Yes.
All right. Okay.
Your Honor, we're asking for an in-person exam.
How many witnesses?
One, Your Honor.
May 20th at 9:30.
That's fine, Your Honor.
All right, bonds continue.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you, Your
Mr. Burnett. You can log off.
Ready, Perry?
Yes.
Calling case number 2058908, the people of the state of Michigan versus Antoine Perry. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Matter Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Wyatt Harris. I'm standing in for the attorney of record, Robert Kinney, with Mr. Perry's permission. Is that correct, Mr. Perry?
Mr. Perry, please state your name for the record. Is that Mr. Perry that says Andre's phone?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. You answered earlier. Mr. Perry, state your name for the record. Your Honor, we'll come back. I'll text Mr. Kinney and have him. Thank you.
All right.
Judge, this is Stephanie Farkas. Can I check in?
Sure.
I am checking in on Cordell Locke.
I've been sitting here too, and I haven't checked in. On Demetrius Williams.
Demetrius Williams. Okay, I got you, Ms. Silver and Ms. Vargas.
Thank you.
Ready on Douglas?
Ready.
Ready.
Calling case number 2058835, the people of the state of Michigan versus Mickey Douglas. Defendant is charged with count 1, homicide, murder first degree premeditated. Count 2, homicide, murder first degree premeditated. Count 3, homicide, murder first degree premeditated. Count 4, assault with intent to murder. Count 5, weapons, firearms, possession by a felon. Count 6, count 7, count 8, count 9, count 10, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, third notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Glenn for the people. My P number is 77516.
And good morning, Your Honor. For the record, James Schloff on behalf of Mr. Mickey Douglas.
You heard some of it.
30720. The court may recall, we took testimony some weeks ago. We adjourned it for further testimony and argument.
We would like an exam continuation. I don't think it would take long. So I don't know what the court schedule is to reopen, and we'll take it from there.
All right, well, I'm not sure when the court is gonna reopen. I really don't believe it's gonna reopen until January.
Well, let's give a provisional date if we can. And then if we can change it, we'll let you know.
All right, well, the earliest date I got is January 14th at 2:30.
2:30. Very good, Judge.
That works for me, Judge.
All right.
Thank you all. Have a happy.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone. Be safe out there.
Thank you.
You too. Ready on McQuarrie?
I'm ready.
Calling case number 2058840, the people of the state of Michigan versus the Miriam McQuarrie. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Madam Frank, on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Rachel Jordan appearing on behalf of Demiria McCreary, P76222. She is present on Zoom. Can you please state your name, Ms. McCreary?
Hey, Mary McCreary.
You have video? Mr. McQuarrie, do you have video?
It's Miss and no.
I need an answer.
She said it's a miss and no.
No.
All right.
Your Honor, today was scheduled for a preliminary exam at 10:45.
Hold on, Ms. Jordan. I need you to verify that as Demiria McQuarrie.
Her name is on the screen. I'm not sure how to verify that.
You know her voice? I mean, you've talked to her, I assume.
I've talked to her, but I don't know voice. I don't know her voice. I haven't talked to her that many times.
I'm Mary McCreary.
All right, May 20th at 10 o'clock.
Your Honor, is it possible for me to do the 21st?
May 21st at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Ready on Williams, Demetrius Williams.
Ready.
Calling case number 2061399, the people of the state of Michigan versus Demetrius Williams. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Gabby Silver appearing on behalf of Demetrius Williams. I would ask the court to waive his presence this morning. He is on bond.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. What's your pleasure?
Judge, I would like to set it for an exam in person. It may be that it's going to be a waiver, but I need to have the video first. I do have paper discovery, but no video, no digital.
Okay.
I'll make an inquiry and see if there's digital, and I'll be sure to get it to you, Ms. Silver.
Thank you. It was a traffic stop, so I will assume that there is some.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How many witnesses?
2.
May 20th at 10 o'clock?
Okay. That sounds like a good day. Thank you. May 20th.
All right.
Thanks, Judge. Bye, everybody.
Have a good one.
You too.
Ready on Cook?
Well, I'm here on Cook's, yes.
Is your client on, Mr. Harris?
I do not know. Mr. Cooks, are you on? Well, I told him yesterday to be on at 8:30, so I'm going to have to call him. I guess we have to ask to pass this.
All right. Ready on Lock?
Yes.
January 2nd.
Oh, counsel, I need your P number. I'm sorry.
74227.
Calling case number 2061586, the people of the state of Michigan, Cordell Locke. Defendant is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, assault with intent to murder, count 3, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation, count 4, weapons firearms by felon, count 5, weapons carrying concealed, count 6, weapons dangerous weapon carrying with unlawful intent, count 7, count 8, count 9, count 10, count 11, second offense notice, weapons felony firearm, habitual offender, fourth notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rana Hadid on behalf of the people, P62243.
And good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. Locke, P74227. And I'm not sure, I don't think this Andre's iPhone is Mr. Locke. And if that's not him, I'd waive his appearance for purposes of this proceeding, Your Honor.
One second. Hold on.
He just said the organization that she's with. She didn't say her name. At least I didn't hear it. Could you repeat it, please?
Okay, we're not saying, we're not getting any of that. I didn't hear anything you said.
Oh, I'm sorry. I said the attorney, Ms. Farkas, only said that she's with the Neighborhood Defender Service. That's all I heard. Didn't state your name. Unless I missed it. Would you repeat it, please?
Stephanie Farkas with Neighborhood Defender Service, P74227, appearing on behalf of Mr. Locke.
Thank you.
All right. Well, we'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. This is PCC.
Yes, Judge. I was speaking with Ms. Hadid this morning. I do not have discovery yet. She indicated she would be getting that to me. And so with that, I would just ask the court to set it for an in-person exam.
All right. How many witnesses?
1, Judge. Is he in custody or out?
He's out. He posted.
May 20th at 10:30.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
That's all I have right now. Did you talk to your client, Mr. Harris?
Yesterday, I told him to get on Zoom at 8:30. I texted him this morning. I left him a voice message. He did not pick up his phone. I have no idea why he didn't either call me or get on Zoom. So at this point, it was up for exam today. He told me he wanted to take the plea. Obviously, that's why I sent you the plea form.
Yeah.
So I have no idea his whereabouts right now. So I don't know if you want to put this over or call it now or whatever you want to do.
If I call it now, I'm capious him.
Okay, Judge.
So, I mean, I gotta have a body.
No, I understand, Judge. It's the exam dates. Yeah.
There's somebody, I'm not sure who that is. Let's see.
If not, I would waive his appearance to PCC. Court will waive the defendant's presence. What's the question? At this point, I was just.
Mr. Harris, can you turn your other system on mute so that we're hearing it here. Thank you. That's connecting the audio, but it doesn't come through. We got one more PCC evidence. All right,
I got two PCCs.
Cole and Myers.
Yeah. Alexander Myers.
Cook, we still got Chapman. Smith. And Sneed and Hill.
Yep.
Gentlemen on the LG, what is your name, please?
Marcus Williams. Did you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir. We already did your case. What did we set that one for?
Pardon?
Hold on a second. I see we already did your case. It's been set for an exam.
May 19th
May 19th
at 11:15.
at 11:15.
So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just got this to do the Zoom stuff. I'm about to be going like I'm on a tether. I'm on a bond. I'm on a tether bond. So I wasn't trying to miss no case or anything. I just finally got this stuff to work.
It's okay because it was just a PCC. Your attorney waived your presence, so nothing. You're all right. All right. Just May 19th at you said 10:15.
11:15.
At 11:15. You got to be in court.
Oh, I'll have to come. I'll have to come into court that day.
Yes.
Okay.
That's an in-court preliminary exam.
Okay, and that's gonna be at Frank Murphy, correct?
No, that's at 36th District Court. And that's courtroom 439.
Okay.
All right, just talk to your attorney.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
All right, bye now.
Still on, I don't know. Okay, how do
I'll do it for you.
okay, thank you.
Alexander. Morning, Mr. Evans, you ready?
Could we put Mr. Alexander and I in a breakout room, please?
That's Andre up there with the, looks like he got a hat on.
A person that says Andre phone, what is your name?
Andre Curtis Alexander.
Okay. All right, one, take your hat off. Thank you. And can you put your phone on your full face so I can see you? I don't do sweats, sir. I don't do t-shirts. All right?
All right. All right.
When you come back, a shirt with a collar.
All
All right,
right.
Mr. I'm gonna put you guys in a breakout room. Mr. Harris, what do you want to do?
Well, I guess there's not much I can do. As I indicated that yesterday, I told him to get on Zoom, and I've texted him this morning and left him a voicemail this morning as to where is he, and he has not responded as of right now.
All right, if you find him, you can bring him back, you can call it.
Sure does.
Yeah.
It's not until 10:15.
Oh,
Yeah, it was scheduled for exam at 10 or I think 10:15 actually. Although I told him to get on at 8:30, so I suppose.
all right, no, I'm gonna have to wait till 10:15.
Yes, Judge, I understand. I'll
All
do
right,
my best to locate him.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. Be right back. I don't know, I'm in denial, I keep getting mad.
Oh.
Come on here, I'm gonna put it, take it off on here, I try to get it out here. I don't know what it is. I'll be right back.
Hey, Miss Kitty, it's AKA Franklin here.
Yes, Ms. Franklin.
When time permits, when you're able, could you please email me that signed dismissal by the judge for Al Malaki?
Yes, I haven't gotten to it yet, but yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
This is Matt Evans. We're done in the breakout.
Okay, the judge stepped out. He'll be right back.
I'm here.
All righty.
Just hang tight, Mr. Alexander.
All right.
Mr. Alexander, you need to mute your phone.
What you say, sir?
You need to mute your phone. Put your
Okay.
phone. You sort of need to touch your screen and then the mute button will come up as an option. Okay. You haven't found the mute button there, Mr. Alexander. Can you hear me? Mr. Alexander, it's not turning down your volume.
Yep. Ready on Alexander?
Yes.
Calling case number 2061092, the people of the state of Michigan versus Andre Alexander. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Matthew Evans on behalf of Mr. Alexander, who I believe is having phone problems.
I'm here.
Oh, okay.
State your name, please.
Andre Curtis Alexander.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, this time we're demanding an exam.
How many witnesses?
1.
May 20th at 10:45.
And I have requested discovery, but I have not received it. So if the prosecutor could get that to us, that would be great.
I'll send you discovery counsel.
Thank you. Have a good weekend, folks.
You too.
All right, you too. Thank you.
We're done, Mr. Alexander.
Okay.
Education. Larry.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
What case you on, Mr. Nasser?
Hi, I'm here for my partner Adam Clements for Shelton Sneed, which was set for an exam today.
Okay. You ready?
I am.
Calling case number 2058588, the people of the state of Michigan versus Shelton Sneed. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please the most honorable court. Mohammed Nasser, P74485, appearing on behalf of Shelton Sneed. Your Honor, I'd ask this honorable court to waive Mr. Sneed's appearance for this hearing.
For an exam, I gotta see him.
All right, Judge, I can have him log on. I know that today was scheduled for an in-person exam. However, based upon the fact that there are no in-person exams, I figured I could waive his appearance just to get a new date.
Well, I have to know that he's still around. How do I know that?
He certainly is, Judge. Okay, I can have him log on.
Well, unless you just gotta tell me that, I mean, you've been in contact with them, you talked to them on such and such a time, that you told them, don't worry about
Judge,
being here.
I apologize, Your Honor. We've been in contact with him, as has lead attorney Adam Clements. We actually spoke to him yesterday and advised him that the in-person exam is not taking place based upon the COVID outbreak at the court. And we also advised him that we would go on today and ask for a new date. And we apologize. We advised him that we would not need him for this hearing. So forgive us for that.
All right, I'll waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
Thank you, Judge. Your Honor, this is the date and time set for an exam. I would ask for a new in-person exam hearing date, Judge.
May 20th at 11 o'clock.
Works for defense, Judge.
All right.
And you did say 1 o'clock, correct, Judge?
No, 11 o'clock.
11. Forgive me, Judge. Thank you so much.
Judge, can you repeat the date again, please?
May 20th at 11 o'clock, Madam Prosecutor.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day, Judge.
All right, you too.
We didn't have a Nelson Rhodes, did we? No, I don't.
been forwarded to an auto.
Have to get in touch with the attorneys, have them come in on me.
Oh. Hello. This is
One just for
Attorney
hearing.
Al Abraham. Good morning, Counselor. You have a PCC in Judge Giles courtroom this morning, or? Judge Giles, no. Yes, we're waiting. No, Judge Giles. Taurus Myers. Yes, that's correct. Okay, thank you. No, 439. You're welcome. All right, attorney's logging in on Myers.
All right, did you get a
He
chance
thought
to
it
call
was Judge
Mr.
Jones.
Mihana?
Who?
Attorney Mahana?
Oh, no.
We got Mahana, I don't know who Crawl is.
Hannah is, check.
Chapman Incident.
Oh, Mahana has two.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know who that is. Oh. No, it's retained.
The Crawl, Attorney Crawl.
Yeah, that one's retained.
You have to call that one, come on to.
Hi, good morning, Ms. Martin. How are you? Good. This is Katie, Judge Giles. You got 2 exams today? Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes.
Hello?
All right, 1 second, she's on the phone.
Okay, yeah, I see. Okay. So you got 2. Can you log on? Okay, all right. Okay. Mr. Mahana got a lot going on. All right, we ready on Myers?
Ready.
Calling case number 2056705, the people of the state of Michigan versus Taurus Myers. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender. Second notice, this matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Respectfully, Attorney Alawamne, bond number 66874 on behalf of Mr. Torres Meyer. At this time, we would the
Call back on. As soon as you start calling the case, it froze. My screen froze.
Hold on a second.
Yeah. Sorry. Start over. I didn't get any of that.
The court reporter needs me to recall it. I got it.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Hold on, she gotta recall the whole case.
Oh,
hold on, I gotta
There's
recall
nothing
it.
on the record.
Calling case number 2056705, the people of the state of Michigan versus Taurus Myers. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender. Second notice, this matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
respect to Your Honor, Attorney Alawamne, bond number 66874 on behalf of Torres Myers. At this time, we would be requesting both paper and electronic discovery on behalf of Mr. Myers, and we would like to request an adjourned PCC date.
All right, well, I waived his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. I'll adjourn the PCC. We'll set it for exam. It's gonna be set out far enough. You have more than enough time to get the information. If you decide not to go ahead with the exam, just contact the court and we'll move it up and do it on Zoom, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. How many witnesses?
1.
May 20th at 11:15?
May 20th, 11:15.
Yes.
Counsel, did I hear you say that you did not receive discovery?
Yeah, I'm requesting both paper and electronic discovery in this matter, Judge. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
It looks like discovery was sent to you on June 18th with paper and video. I can send it again, but it looks like discovery was sent at least once.
June 18th?
Yeah, May 19th was the first PCC, then July 13th, then now we have the exam September 8th. I'm looking through my notes. On July 13th, there's a note that defense counsel has all discovery. Yeah, so there's a note that defense has discovery. This is for Terrius Myers, correct?
Those are KPs.
All right, well, there was a KPS in September, so it probably was reassigned when it came back.
Okay.
So just discovery.
Okay, I'll read. And Mr. Alam, counsel,
Yes.
defense counsel.
Yes.
You're going to be the attorney for this defendant moving forward?
Yes.
I have your email address as ashrafjd@yahoo.com.
Correct.
Okay, I'll send discovery to you again.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Mr. Mahan said he was gonna log on. Don't make it look like a real number. Hi, yes, I'm looking for attorney Thomas Paul. This is Kitty Judge Giles Clerk and 36th District Court. He has exam scheduled today. It's at 2:45. The judge would like him to log on Zoom. No. Mm-hmm. Yes, 36th District Court. Courtroom 439. Shell Young. Okay. Does he have our Zoom number? Well, he should. He was at the PCC. He should. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Peace and good morning. Mr. Perry, Antoine Perry checking in.
Yeah. That was Mr. Cheney's case, Mr. Harris did. What date did you set it for? Was that the one we waiting on Mr. Harris to come back?
That's Mr. Cook. And we're waiting on Mr. Harris.
No, I mean, the other Mr. Harris, we did one of his cases, the other one. Yeah, Antoine Perry. Okay. Oh, there's Mr. Perry.
I apologize. I was trying to figure out how to turn it up. I had missed. If you were talking to me, I didn't hear anything you said. I just found my phone. Apologize.
That's all right. All right, this is case number 2058908, recalling the people of the state of Michigan versus Antoine Perry. The Perry charged 1 count, weapons carrying concealed.
Janetta Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Kenny appearing on behalf of Mr. Perry. It was scheduled for this afternoon, Your Honor.
Right. But we're not doing in-person exams now, so we have to reschedule it.
Thank you, Judge.
Available May 20th at 11:30.
You said May?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm available. May 20th, yes, sir.
All right, files continued.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Calling case number 20566673, the people of the state of Michigan versus K. Chapman. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Can't hear you, Mr. Mahana.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nijad Mihana appearing on behalf of K. Chapman, P59371.
All right, thank you. Is your client on?
I am not sure, Judge. This case is set for in-person exam, and it's possible that he's not on yet.
All right, have you been in contact with him?
I believe so. I'd have to pull out the file.
Yeah, that's what I need. I need to see him, or I need to know that you've been in contact with him.
Give me 1 second.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor, I have been in contact with him. I have an address and a phone number.
All right. The court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. We're going to reschedule this matter for...
Judge, just for the record, it's a female, just so the record can be clear.
Okay. All right, we rescheduled for May 21st at 9:30.
May 21st, 9:30. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Calling case number 20575351, the people of the state of Michigan versus Brandon Smith. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carried concealed. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nijad Mihana appearing on behalf of Brandon Smith, P59371. I also have contact from my client, Judge. This matter is set for in-person exam today, and we are looking for another date.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of today's hearing. We're going to reset this for May 21st at 10 o'clock.
That's okay. All set, Your Honor.
Yep, we're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you. Calling case number 2059174, the people of the state of Michigan versus Rochelle Young. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm, habitual offender, for notice. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Thomas Krall, Krall, P75303, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Your Honor, I have been in contact with my client at least a couple times this week. I've told him about the order that we cannot have an in-person examination today, and that the court will be adjourning it, so I will waive his appearance on his behalf.
All right, court will waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing. We're gonna put this matter over to, we'll do May 20th at 11:45. A good date?
I hope I'm free, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, and we'll continue the bond. Thank you.
Good to see you, Judge. Have a good day.
See you too. Take care now.
Well, so the last one got.
Judge, I believe that's everything that I have.
We got one more.
Oh, we do? Which one is that?
That's, let me see if it's yours.
DeJuan Cook.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, DeJuan Cook. All right, we can call Cook. We can call Cook.
Calling case number 2056193, the people of the state of Michigan versus DeJuan Cooks. Defendant is charged with count 1 and count 2, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. This matter is scheduled for an examination.
Senator Franklin appearing on behalf of the people.
And Lyle Harris on behalf of Mr. Cooks. Mr. Cooks indicated he wanted to take the plea that was offered to him. I had the whole thing set up, told him to get on Zoom. I have no idea where he is. I've tried to contact him by text and voicemail this morning. That's it.
All right. Well, at this point, court's going to enter a capias. Capias shall enter any bond previously submitted shall be forfeited. New bond set at $30,000 cash. If you find him, Mr. Harris, just bring him on Zoom. He still wants to do the misdemeanor. As long as it's still available, we'll do it.
Yes, Judge, and if somebody picks him up, hopefully somebody from the court would call me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, Judge, I guess now that really concludes the docket. I'm gonna log off now.
Okay, thank
All right,
you.
everyone have a great day.
All right, you too. Have a good weekend.
Thank you, you too.
All right,
Bye-bye.
All right.